Okay, we're in Chapter 6, QuizA, question number 1. Let's take a look at the prompt. Students taking an intro stats class reported the number of credit hours that they were taking that quarter. Summary statistics are shown in the table. Suppose that the college charges $73 per credit hour plus a flat student fee of $35 per quarter. For example, a student taking 12 credit hours would pay $35 plus the product of 73 times 12, which would equal $911 for that quarter. This means our equation would be 35 plus 73 times number of credit hours. What is the mean amount paid, or what's the mean fee paid? Well, mean is a measure of position, so we know it's affected by both the addition and the multiplication. Our mean is 16.65. To find the mean amount paid, it would be 35 plus the product of 73 times 16.65. That would give us a total of $1,250.45. What is the standard deviation for the fees paid? Standard deviation is a measure of spread and therefore is unaffected by the addition. So in order to find the standard deviation, we would take the current standard deviation, 2.96, and we'd multiply it by 73. That would give us a total of $216.08. What is the median fee paid? Well, like mean, median is also a measure of position, so we'd plug into this formula. Our median, as given by our table, is 16, so it would be 35 plus the product of 73 times 16. That would give us a total of $1,203. And what is the IQR for the fees paid? IQR is Q3 minus Q1, which our IQR here would be 19 minus 15, or 4. IQR is also a measure of spread. It would be unaffected by the addition. So in order to find IQR, we would just do 4 times 73, and that would give us a total of $292. Okay, so now we're looking at question 1B. Let's take a look at that question. 28 credit hours seems like a lot. Would you consider 28 credit hours to be unusually high? Explain. Well, we just calculated the IQR, and we also have our 5-number summary. So let's make a box and whisker plot for the data. Our minimum value is 5, our maximum is 28, so maybe I'd make a number line from 4 to 28 in increments of 2. So take a minute and create a box and whisker plot for your data. And here's my box and whisker plot. You notice when I create the box and whisker plot, I actually have some outliers. The minimum value of 5 is an outlier because when I did 1.5 times the IQR, my fence was at 9 and my other fence was at 25. So I would consider the minimum value, 5 credit hours, unusually low, and I'd consider the maximum value of 28 credit hours unusually high. And again, the IQR, which was 4 credit hours, helps us determine whether or not we have outliers. The high outlier would be on the upper fence, which is 25 credit hours, and since 28 exceeds that upper fence, we would consider 28 to be unusually high. That's it for question 1, Quiz A, Chapter 6.